Within the Atlas NG, you'll find three powerful analysis tools designed for audio streams carried over an ST2110 signal. These tools go beyond simple reception analysis, allowing you to effectively monitor the critical synchronization between your primary and secondary audio flows. For every audio stream, a primary flow and a secondary backup flow are streamed. In this area, we will need to drag the left menu to the center and configure correctly the parameters within, so that we can actually receive the audio flows properly. Most of the parameters here have the exact same meaning as in the video flows configuration area, so we will focus here on those parameters that are new and specific for audio flow setup. Audio stream. This identifies which of the four streams that the meter can analyze simultaneously we want to configure. Audio format. There are two possible audio formats according to the ST2110 protocol. Audio packet time. This is referring to the total real audio length of the audio signal carried in these audio flows IP packets. Audio channels number. Number of channels within this stream. It can be any number from 1 to 16. To verify that the audio flow is being received, we will check that the received packets counter is increasing. Audio mapping. Every audio stream can carry several audio channels, as many as 16. That would be, for example, 2 7.1 Dolby Surround services, or 8 stereo services, or 16 mono services, or any combination of them. While in this tool, if we drag the left menu to the center of the screen, we can select which stream channels should be embedded in each of the 16 SDI signal audio channels. And confirm our selection, setting the status to On. Any changes will be updated on the table and diagram located in the screen panel, which represent clearly the mapping device as we define it. Seamless Switch Audio Monitor. This tool will show 5 graphs depicting the latency between the primary and secondary streams for the video flow and 4 audio flows selected.